Hey guys, welcome back to Tools and Build. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a door handle, a plastic door handle. It's from an 2008 Ford Edge. It's the trunk handle. It's plastic. And we're going to paint with Canadian Tire Dupli-Color paint cans. And I've been using that for quite a while now, and it works very well. But there is a few steps that I do that I don't know if you do them, so we're gonna do it together. When I get anything out of plastic or metal, I like to sand it down. I use 320 grit, then I use 120 sandpaper. That removes any default I can see marks or there's any scratches. It all depends if it's going to be visual to the eye. So once that's done, then I use a degreaser. It's this right here. It's from Dupli-Color. It's grease and wax remover, and I wash that quite often to all my products that I paint. That it removes all the grease, all the wax, all the oil stains, and it wouldn't leave a mark on your finished product. Sometimes when you paint and you see a bit of orange peel, it's because there's grease. While doing that, always use your hands. When you're touching finished products, always use gloves, because your hands do have oil and it spreads to the material. Once it's washed, I let it dry for 24 hours, natural dry. I leave it out in the garage, or if it's warm outside, I leave it outside. I tried once using air hose, but there's dirt on the hose, so when you press on the air, the hose has dirt, and the dirt goes to the material, and then when you're painting, you're back to square one. So that's why I let it dry naturally. And this is the door handle. It's sanded, it's cleaned, and it's ready to get painted. This is my paint boot, and if you're interested on how to do one, look at my older videos. There's a little description of the material I used and why I used it. And it works pretty well. Another thing I like to use is this little thing. It's Dupli-Color adhesive promoter made for plastic parts. This is it. You spray it on like a can, and like a spray can, and it dries clear. And what this does, it acts like a glue to the plastic, so when you paint, the paint sticks well to it and it won't chip when you're handling and installing it. So we're going to do that now. We're going to put 2 clear coats. We're going to put 2 clear coats, wait 2 minutes, and put another 2 coats. Another coat, wait 2 minutes, then we're going to paint. go. Make sure you get everywhere. Supposed to be tack dry. That's one coat. We put on 2 minutes. There it is, 2 minutes. What I like to do is, while it's waiting, I like to take my can and just shake it around like that. The paint gets well mixed inside. And once you start painting this, it's 3 coats, very lightly coats, and in between every coat you gotta have to wait 10 minutes. Let me see if it is. Yeah. Allow part to dry 10 minutes before coats and wait 30 minutes before applying clear coat. So we can do 3 coats of this and 1 coat of clear. Wait 24 hours, let the paint dry, and then install it in my dad's truck. That's where the door handle is. So here we go. I applied the second coat. It's in there. Now we're just gonna wait for 2 minutes, then we're gonna put the paint. Remember, when applying the paint, it's 3 coats. Every coat, wait 10 minutes between coats. And if you're not sure, always try to put like a paper underneath it. And when you paint, have a little paint on the paper like that. You could touch the paint, and if it's tack dry, it's good for the second coat. Tack dry is the paint's a bit wet, but your finger, when it hits the paint, sticks to your hand. It won't get your hand wet. It's just gonna stick to your fingertip, and you'll be able to move paper. So that's my hint when I'm not confident that the 10 minutes is right, but usually 10 minutes is perfect. And there is sometimes I forget to put on the timer and I'm like, wow, alright, let's give it 5 minutes and then we'll do the tech test. There we are. We're gonna start painting and shape. I'm gonna try a bit on the paper. And looks good. Let's go for it. One little problem with this paint booth is I'm gonna see if I could get some more lights and put it here. So that's one coat. I'll close the door. Put the timer on. Now, first wet coat is done. We'll wait 10 minutes. Put the second one, wait another 10 minutes. Put on the third one, then we're gonna wait half an hour for the coat. Alright. This is how 3 coats of black looks from Duplicolor. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait half an hour and put our first coat of clear, and we're gonna put 3 coats the same way. Wait half an hour, we put a coat of clear, wait 10 minutes, another coat of clear, another 10 minutes. Basically, when all this is finished, it'll be about an hour every time. But it is beautiful. Close the doors. Alright guys, now that it's completely painted, we're gonna put the clear. For those who don't know what clear is what makes the part shiny, gives it an extra protection. And it's from Duplicolor. Gotta shake it again for a minute until you hear the balls ring. Then you start counting, and then you apply. Small coat, wait 10 minutes, another coat, and 10 minutes, another coat. And here we go. Play a bit on the paper. Looks good. Now we're gonna start. Moves around. Small streaks. 10 inches away. don't go too close, or else if you go too close, you gotta have runs. If you have runs, you gotta start all over again. You gotta sand it, wait till it dries sand. And look at that. I think one more coat should be good. A little flashlight here. Check if everything is good. And everything looks perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one more coat of clear and should be good. So that's it. Did the first clear. We're gonna do another 2 coats of clear, maybe one. I'll see how it looks. Then let it dry 24 hours, and then we're going to install it. Alright guys, my dad came, we installed his handle, and this is the finished product. You see it? Nicely done. I know the clear is not that great, you don't see it that much, but it's there. Matches the car perfect. All said and done, that was pretty good. Let's see if we can get a better look with a flashlight. Let's go check it out. And it's only 5 o'clock here in Montreal. Winter's here. There you go. All done. All done. Looks good. So the main purpose for this video was to show everyone how to paint plastic. You just need the right material. Duplicolor adhesive, waxing the grease remover, and you're all done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, press like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Any questions about this video, please leave in the comments below and I will answer it. Thank you.